Healthy Junkies, welcome to Soundarya's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you healthy lunch recipes. Okay, so I'm ready to show it. Are you ready to watch it? Let's move into the food section. Number 1 will be pearl millet khichdi. So pearl millet is also known as in Hindi bajra, Telugu sajjalu, and in Tamil it is known as kombu, and in Kannada it is sajje. It is known as superfood. Why? Because it is loaded with many numerous health benefits. This is my pearl millet, and how is this prepared you can watch in the video. Soaked bajra, let it dry on a dry cloth for 10 minutes. Now it's time to blend mostly blended of pearl millet. Ready now for doing khichdi. So for the pearl millet khichdi, I am using the ingredients: onion, tomato, chili, 2 tablespoons of, I have used white rice, you can use any other kind of rice, and this is soaked green gram, tur dal, these are the green pea, salt for your taste, and ghee. Many people have a thought that ghee actually increases or make them fat. No, it is a good fat which really helps in your weight management. Now let's move into the preparation of pearl millet khichdi. So I'm gonna prepare in the pressure cooker 1 cup of pearl millet flour. You need to add 4 cups of water. Okay, 1 cup of pearl millet flour, and for this you are adding, this is of 2 onions, tomato, 2 tomatoes, chilies, 1 I have used, and a pinch of kasturi methi, carrots, and soaked rice. This is the soaked green gram where you have to use 1/4 for 1 cup of pearl millet, and this is 1/2 of tur dal, and this is the green peas. This is the ghee and salt as per required. And now you need to add 4 cups of water. Now olive oil 2 drops you will be adding. And now give it a well mix. We need to pressure cook for 4 whistles. Now is green gobi rice. Let's see now how is it. So actually that matches my apron color. Add homemade ghee into the kadai, which is a good source of energy and good fat. When the ghee is heated, add the dry nuts. These are good fat to our body and also responsible for growth of good cholesterol and reduction of bad cholesterol. Once they turn into brown color, they are ready to take them out and transfer into a cup. So now to prepare the green puree, that is spinach puree, we need the following ingredients to be blended: palak, ginger, green chili, garlic, and salt required for your taste. So now these are to be kept in a blender. Now it's ready to be blended. Palak puree is ready now. Now add into the kadai and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's perfect now to add the cooked brown rice into the kadai. A pinch of salt, already fried cauliflower, and also the dried nuts. Give a well mix of it. a tablespoon of lemon juice into the kadai and well mix. To just give you the importance of what I have done in my second recipe is actually why I have used brown rice over white rice. 100 grams of white rice, it has 0.4 grams of fiber, whereas in the case of brown rice it has 1.8 grams of fiber. So the main reason why we we dietitians ask you to people have brown rice or any other rice rather than white rice is because of its main nutritional content. Okay, actually brown rice has a lesser glycemic index. It is where it takes a longer time. The lower the glycemic index, the longer it takes to digest. When we have this white rice, it gets easily digestible in maximum 2 to 3 hours. But whereas if we take this brown rice, it takes a longer more than this. So in that case, we do not feel hunger in very quick manner. Okay, vegetables I have used in my second recipe was spinach, generally called as palak. In addition to this green leafy vegetables, you can add many other what are available in your home. Like coriander, mint, curry leaves, rosalie leaves, red rosalie and collard greens, many other options you have. And the main important use of green leafy vegetable is it helps and also pack nutrients of iron, fiber. Constipation people really they could get benefit by having this greens, that is in any green leafy vegetable. Due to its presence of fiber content in it, it helps to relieve them from constipation. Okay, and people suffering from anemia can have this with the 2 healthy lunch recipes. So first one was pearl millet khichdi and second one is green gobi rice. These both can be served with raita, where curd is a probiotic. It has a rich probiotic concentration which helps in gut activity. These are the both recipes for today in Soundarya's kitchen. Millet khichdi was awesome. I'm gonna taste now my second recipe, green gobi rice. Wow, super. So please do try and let me know in my comment box. Thank you.